The beginning. So what is the first page? What does it say on the first page? Right here. Right there. What are they talking about there? Read Mommy the story.
What's about time? I today. All day today. All today. Wait. Constellation? Yes!
Tell me about the stars. What star is closest to the Earth? Tell me, what star is closest to the Earth? Alexa, what star is closest to the Earth? And what's it called when the stars make a picture?
Yeah, a constellation.
And where did Fancy Nancy go to see the stars?
Yeah.
To the
Planet.
planetarium.
Yeah.
And what did the policeman say?
Road.
Say the road's closed.
Road is closed.
There is
Too much water.
Are you done reading it to me?
I do.
And who's the little girl? What's her name? What's the little girl's name? Who's that right there on the book? Who's that right there? Who's that right there?
Fancy Nancy.
Is that her name?
Yeah.
It's a pretty name, huh? You like Fancy Nancy? What's the book called? Fancy Nancy Sees Stars?
Yeah.
Okay, well say bye.
Bye.
Say love you.
Yeah.
Say read your book later.